Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will be talking about metal project ideas and metal craft ideas. In this video, we will explore the world of welding projects for beginners to make money and showcase some of the most creative and unique metal furniture and welded decor ideas that you can incorporate into your home or office. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced metalworker, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in and get inspired. As a welding enthusiast, you may have realized that your passion for welding can be turned into a profitable venture. Welding projects can be a great way to make money, whether you are looking for a full-time business or just a side hustle. There are several metalworking project ideas you can start making right away to start earning profit. Are you enjoying our collection of welding projects for beginners to make money? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. If you are serious enough into turning your welding hobby to a profitable business venture, let's tell you some tips you use. 1. Start small. If you are new to welding, start small. Begin with simple projects like welding together a metal shelf or creating a metal sculpture. As you gain more experience, you can move on to more complex projects. 2. Identify your niche. Identify your niche in the welding industry. Do you enjoy creating metal art pieces or building custom furniture? Do you prefer working on automotive or industrial projects? Knowing your niche will help you focus on the type of projects that will generate the most income. Three, build your portfolio. Build a portfolio of your work. Take pictures of your completed projects and post them on social media or your website. Potential customers will want to see examples of your work before hiring you. 4. Market your services. Market your services to potential customers. Attend trade shows, craft fairs, and other events where people interested in welding may be present. Create flyers and business cards to hand out to potential customers. 5. Offer custom work. Offer custom work to your customers. Many people are willing to pay more for unique and personalized items. Consider offering custom designs for furniture, art pieces, or even metal signs. Six, sell your products online. Sell your products online through platforms like Etsy or eBay. This will expand your customer base beyond your local area and increase your sales potential. 7. Partner with local businesses. Partner with local businesses that may need your welding services. Consider offering your services to construction companies, automotive shops, or even local artists. 8. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in quality equipment to ensure that your work is top-notch. This will help you stand out from your competition and attract more customers. 9. Offer repair services. Offer repair services for metal items like gates, fences, and machinery. Many people may need their metal items repaired and are willing to pay for the service. 10. Create a website. Create a website to showcase your work and services. This will make it easier for potential customers to find you online and learn more about what you offer. 11. Build relationships with customers. Build relationships with your customers by providing excellent customer service and quality work. Happy customers are likely to refer you to their friends and family, which can lead to more business. Overall, making money with welding projects requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to continuously learn and improve. By following these tips, you can turn your passion for welding into a successful business or side hustle. In conclusion, making money with welding projects requires patience, creativity, and hard work. Remember to start small, identify your niche, build your portfolio, market your services, offer custom work, sell your products online, partner with local businesses, and invest in quality equipment. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked welding projects for beginners to make money. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.